want to...
Bye, guys.
Sit down and... We're almost done.
The colors are you. And you're beautiful just the way you are. Find beauty in all the shades you are.
What's up, guys? It's Mariah's Play Palace. I'm Mariah, and today we are with my god brother.
Hi, what's up? I'm named Mason.
So guys, today I'll be teaching Mason how to make slime. This is his first time making slime. Today what we both have white Elmer's glue.
And
I have purple
green.
glue coloring.
I have green.
I have a red spatula.
And I have a blue one.
And we both have a bowl, as you guys can see. And we're both gonna rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Who gets to do rock, paper, scissors, shoot first? So let's start. So guys, what we need first.
I think what paste is.
No, we don't. What we need first is our Elmer's white glue. So just get your Elmer's white glue and just pour it inside the bowl. So guys, as you guys know, play along because we're going to be teaching him how to make slime. So just pour it inside your bowl. Just pour the whole thing. You don't need to stop by little. Just pour the whole thing. Guys, I want to make sure he knows what to do. Pour the whole thing. Don't drop it in there now. Guys, imagine he doing the gallons. Imagine that. I bet it would have fallen over. I'm going to tell you guys about Mason a little bit. I'm going to tell you guys some things. The first thing is Mason's 5 years old. So if you guys didn't know, I'm 7 years old and he's 5. As you guys know, he has a brother, my other god brother. His name is Tyson. You done?
Yeah.
Put the top all the way on and put it on that chair. So guys, I just need to put it on that chair over there. So guys, as you guys know what's next. We need our food coloring.
Yeah,
so
we'll do this.
Just take it off like this. Guys, he dropped it in there. Okay, just pour the whole thing in there. Okay, guys. Guys, as you guys know, I have purple and he has green. You know, he's just like Tyler. That's like T-Bird. He had green and not like I am. Why he got green, guys? Because I'm going to tell you guys his favorite show. His favorite show is PJ Masks, and he loves Gecko, and Gecko's green. Guys, today...
No, I want red, blue, green.
Yeah, because Owlette is red and Catboy is blue. Guys, you done? I guess, okay. Guys, well, I'm done. Guys, earlier me and my brothers, we were all playing a game, not Edmund, because he had to go to the store. Are you ready? I'm going to finish telling you guys, just wait. Okay, close it.
Ah! Wait, all over my hands.
Okay. Oh, pass me.
I did it.
Yeah, he did a trick, guys. Okay, put it on your chair. What are you doing over there? Just put it. You don't need to stand it up. It's closed. Okay. Well, guys, next we need a mix. So just start mixing. So, guys, as I was saying, we were all playing a game. It was me, Mason, Tyson. It was me, Mason, Tyson, Jaden, and Tyler. We were playing a game. T-Ray, you guys know him. He was on the team. So, guys, Tyler was on teams. We don't know what this game was called because we just made up a game. Tyler was on teams with Tyson. You guys don't know him. And Tyler T-Bird was on teams with Tyson. And then Mason was, me, Jaden, and Mason was on teams together. And then Tyler and Tyson was closing the door on us, and then he just said, "Super Gecko muscles!" And then he tried to push it in, but T-Bird just let go of the door. And he was like, I opened it. He really thought he opened it, but he didn't. Okay, you done?
No, not yet.
Just get that white spot. Just get a white spot. Okay, you're done. Okay, put it aside. Put it aside. Okay, it doesn't smell good at all.
Well, steak.
Okay, guys. Well, now we need a rock, paper, scissors shoot. Who gets to put the tie activator now?
Let's do this.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. No, I don't know how you're going. Let me help you. Let me scoop that aside. Okay, I'm gonna do I'm gonna pour it in here for you, and then you pour it in there. Okay.
Not too much.
This is the first half, Tyson.
Take it.
Guys, I just called him Tyson.
Hey, don't call me that. Woo, woo. It's a booty,
No, it's not. Okay. Now it's my turn. You can start making it if you want. Okay, just keep mixing.
It's sticky.
It's slime. If you didn't know that.
I can smell it. It smells good. It smells like paint.
It smells better?
Yeah.
No, it doesn't. It doesn't smell like nothing now. Guys, look. Just keep mixing it. Keep mixing it. Don't think we don't need no more activator. We're going to need more activator. Right, guys? You guys could tell. Mason, you need help?
No.
Okay. Mix around like this. Look. Like this. Gotta get all that activator in.
Ugh. My arm hurts. I broke my ankle.
Oh, God. You crazy. Okay, keep mixing. Hard. Guys, I'm gonna need more activators, so I'm just waiting for him. Guys, look at this. Don't I need more activator? It's definitely not sticky. You need more?
Well, it's just stuck.
Well, guys, I guess we need a rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Who gets to go again? So let's go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. No, I thought he would have gotten paper, but I guess he goes first, so I'm just going to put yours in.
Yay! I got one this time.
Pour.
Ooh, missing. I'm messing with the bowl.
Okay, guys.
We do a channel.
Okay, I'm gonna pour it.
It is sticky more.
Yeah, it sticks more. It gets to stick more. Guys, let's mix. I'm still mixing and mixing and mixing.
You that was Jay.
How'd you know that was my dad? Okay, mix hard so it can work. It's
Oh no,
sticky.
it go with my face. Yes, we don't need no more.
No, we don't need no more. We just need a needle.
Oh.
Guys, now we need to use our hands. So just take all the slime off this. Take all that you can off this. Okay, guys, so we finished kneading it. Sorry for the noise. It was just my dad and T-Rex. They just put away the groceries. So now we're gonna take it out. So Mason, just take it out like this. Just take it out, and then just pass me the bowl.
Woo! Go! Ew, the beelie!
Pass me your bowl.
Oh!
Guys, that's right. It's okay. Well, guys, I'm going to teach him how to do bubbles, and then we're going to do the 3-round big bubble challenge. Because you guys just saw how he just made that bubble like this. Oh, I just made one. So, guys, so I'm just going to, look, Mason, this is how
Go! Peel on my face!
Well, this
Peel
is how
on
you
my
make
mouth face!
Look, Mason, this is how you make bubbles. So, spread it out.
Wait, I need my bowl.
No, you don't. No, you don't. Mason. Mason, no, you don't. Give me your bowl. Mason, you can't do that. Take it from him. I don't know why you did that. Okay, well, you got to do it close, Mason, not far. Alright. 1, oh, crap.
Oh no,
1,
it's stuck.
2, 3. Whoa! Guys, that was huge.
I don't know how I made bubble wet at me.
What did he do again?
I don't know how I made bubble at me.
Well, you need to keep learning, I guess.
Yes, you do.
Well, just grab it, just spread it out, and then just grab it, and then just make the bubble. Guys, I'm making such big bubbles, I don't know how. And I'm just gonna ask Mason, when do you want to do the 3-round big bubble challenge?
Oh, yeah. I want to do it when I was 7.
You want to do it right now?
Yeah.
I guess he said he wants to do it right now. But I don't think, well, just get your stuff ready. I guess we gotta do it, guys. He said so. You guys know I always ask people whenever I do it with them that they want to do it yet. But, okay, get it ready.
Woo. Hi. Oh.
There. Okay, now he got it. Okay, first round. Round 1. 3, 2, 1, go. I won. Guys, that was huge.
I popped it up after.
It's okay. At least I won. At least I got the
I thought, why you didn't help me with this bubble?
You seriously think I'm gonna give you? You know what, guys? I'm gonna be nice since it's his first time inside the palace. I'm gonna give him a point. So, you want me to help you get a bubble? Get a bubble. Yeah. Well, I got
bubble fingers.
Bubble fingers. Okay, guys. Well, it's time for round 2.
Oh
Just touch the slime. Okay, get yours ready for round 2. Spread it out. If not, you're not gonna have a good bubble. Okay, round 2. 3, 2, 1. Still made a bubble. It's right there. You guys maybe can't see. Oh, you made a little one. Made a little one.
Oh no, it's on the table without glasses.
It's okay, keep it. Well, guys, round 3. It's round 3.
Oh. I gotta go be 2-2.
Okay, just keep it. It's okay. And don't let it get stuck to your shirt.
Well, this
round 3.
I get to do it backward too.
Okay, round 3.
Wacky.
3, 2, 1. I won.
Oh, wait, I didn't make a
Well,
bubble, not yet.
I didn't get a point yet. We gotta see if he can make a bubble. I don't know why he doesn't do the same bubble at the same time as me. Guys. Well, let's see if you can make a bubble. How long are you gonna? Oh, that looks like a W. That looks like a W.
Hey, don't call my front a W. Boy, he punch.
Well, I got the point.
It's blown up by itself.
Well, Mason got the point. Cause
What?
mine just made a bubble. Then. Well, guys, we did all the rounds. As it seems like I got 2 points and he got 1, but I'm still gonna give him the win because it's his first time inside the play palace. So woo! Hooray for Mason! He's looking like, what are we hooray for? Well, Mason, you won the.
Bye, guys.
Sit down and make sure you guys subscribe and comment down below if you guys like the video. Give this video a big thumbs up and tap that notification bell, and you guys will see that I have a video of tomorrow. Well, bye. Say bye to the camera. Bye.
Bye, Coco.
Mason, you are funny.